What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at WHITLEY AutoWorks. Temu has been nice enough, running a flash sale right now, to send me out a bunch of cool stuff again, and they included a discount code that you guys can use to get a $100 coupon code bundle as new users. And they sent me out a lot of great stuff. I've got an LVLP gun. Now, I've always used HVLP guns, so I'm really excited to see what these do. But we're going to unbox everything real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys what we got, and then we're going to get into do another awesome cool spray out. So let's get into it. Man, I got quite the haul from Temu this time. Well, let me run down everything I got real quick, and then we'll try and use some of this stuff and do an awesome spray out. To start with, little but not least are these paint gun holders. I picked one up last time in my last Temu haul, and they work great, guys. Metal, good sturdy construction. You put 2 screws through them, set your paint gun on top, and it keeps everything organized, and you keep it up out of the way. Also, I'm really excited about this. I picked up an LVLP gun, low volume, low pressure. This is made by a company called Arita. It's an MP500 model, which is modeled very closely off of the R500, which is the really popular LVLP go-to model. One thing I like about it is right out of the box, the trigger on it is very, very smooth. All the adjustments feel real sturdy and good. It's got a gunmetal finish, and it comes with every accessory you need to get started. So that's a great little setup, especially if you don't have a big compressor. LVLP is the way to go because it requires a lot less compressor capacity, and a lot of people say that these actually have a lot less overspray in the air and everything else just because you're not using as much pressure. But anyways, I also picked up an HVLP setup. This is the hard case version. I don't know if you've seen some of my giveaways. I've actually given a few of these away. Comes with a 1.4 tip gun, an 0.8 tip gun, a little touch-up gun for doing small stuff. Comes with a regulator, all the adapters, the little cleaning tools, everything you need to get going in a real sturdy, cool hard case. So I picked one of these up as well, and it's always a great addition and a great beginner setup for anybody that's looking to get into anything. I picked up one of these kind of by mistake. This is a PPF system. This is kind of like these cups right here. Sometimes you don't want to clean them. Well, this is a cup system that actually goes on top of your gun, and you can unscrew it. You put this little sleeve cup in it, and you can throw these away when you get done using it. You put that little sleeve in there, you tighten it up. It's got the measurements on the cup, and this actually, sorry, I messed it up, guys. You put this on top of it, then you tighten this up, and then this goes on top of your gun. You set that on top just like that. It screws on, and then when you get done with it, you unscrew it, you take this off, you drop your cup system everywhere, you take your sleeve out, you throw it away, and you don't have to deal with cleaning all that stuff up long term. The only thing that gets dirty is this right here, and then you can just load it in a new sleeve and keep going. So that's a really cool thing. And also I picked one of these up. This is one of those lights that go on the front of your gun. I know you've probably seen a lot of TikTok videos and stuff like that. It actually screws and attaches to the front, has a little light that screws in right there, and then you can see what you're doing as you're moving along your paint job. But I'm going to set everything up real quick, and let's try some of this stuff out and see how it does. Alright guys, so now it's time to have some fun doing a spray out. Don't know if you noticed it, but the fender behind me is two-toned with some pretty interesting colors. Gloss orange and gloss khaki by Rustoleum. And they kind of match the Temu colors, so thought we'd have some fun today doing a Temu themed spray out since Temu did send all this stuff out. Man, this is going to be pretty cool. I like this paint gun right here, and I also like this little light. I screwed it on and you can turn it on, but what's also cool is you can get daylight light out of it so you can change the colors on it. So that's pretty cool. So that's going to be really fun when we go to spraying this pearl. And what pearl could we possibly be using today? Well, I decided to go with a Glimmer Ghost Green for, apparent reasons. Money, trying to save money, and also I had a subscriber that had been wanting to see green over orange and green over khaki because they were kind of going for like an army theme type stuff. So that's what we're doing today, guys. So I'm going to take some of this Glimmer Ghost Green and we're going to put it in the mix. I've already mixed out, or I've already poured out some Finish 1 clear. This is 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. And we're going to do 5 ounces total in the mix. And we're going to add some of this Glimmer Ghost Green to it. Now, I've got a little sample bag here. So this is only a 5-gram bag, I think is what this one is. So I'm going to just spritz some here in the mix. Try to probably do about half of it. So maybe 2 grams, give or take, somewhere in that area. This is a test spray out. So regardless, we're going to get the full effect anyways. And I'm going to set this to the side, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is the Glimmer Ghost Green. Before I even get to stirring it, you can already see some of the green reflecting. This is a white particle pearl, so as I get to mixing, it's going to be kind of hard to see in the mix, but you'll see shimmers of green from different angles. Man, this is going to be pretty cool. Now, this is kind of middle of the road as far as like Eye Candy's green pearls, because they have the Ghost Green, the Glimmer Green, and then they had the Galactic Ghost Green, which is the big particle stuff that I've sprayed on some of the other colors. But today we're just doing the Glimmer Ghost Green, kind of middle of the ways. It's going to give it a really good sparkle. So I'm excited to see what it does over this orange and over this khaki. Get this new LVLP paint gun loaded up with some of this Glimmer Ghost Green, and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, I got this Aurita LVLP gun from Temu loaded up with some of that Glimmer Ghost Green from Eye Candy Pigments. And we've got the little light on it too. Now this does unscrew, and you got a battery that you can recharge in it. It comes with a little charger, and it's USB on the end, so you can just plug it into most of your standard USB chargers, charge it up, put it back in, and reuse it. So I guess what I'm going to do, this is a 1.3 tip. The pressure adjustments were a little bit confusing in the instructions. It says max 10 on the front, max 10 PSI, but on the actual side of the gun it says 22. So I'm shooting at 25 static, and then with the trigger pulled completely, it jumps down to 22. So I'm going to try it at 22 PSI. I'm going to turn this little light on. I put my mask on. Let's do a light coat first as always, followed up by 2 or 3 more coats. We get a cool desired effect. I'll probably end up playing with this gun some ways along the way. But anyways, let me put my mask on. Let's get the spraying and trying out this new stuff. Alright guys, so right by the Temu stuff, right to the spray out. Now this is the Ghost Glimmer Ghost Green from Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Orange and Gloss Khaki. Now, man, it has a crazy cool effect over both colors. I do think I got to dial this gun in a little bit better, but right out the gate for first time spraying it, it ain't too bad. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so these are the Temu products, and this is the Temu inspired spray out for today. A really cool Glimmer Ghost Green by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Orange and Gloss Khaki Rustoleum. Now, I thought it was pretty cool, but ultimately it ain't up to me. You guys rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you guys want to spray with Glimmer Ghost Green by Eye Candy Pigments on your next spray out, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy, so I can get you guys a discount. Just check my links in the description, and at checkout enter WAW shop while shop. We'll get you a discount. It'll go to help the channel, and it's a win-win for everybody. And as far as these Temu products go, guys, this LVLP gun, I really like it. Overspray was a lot less than some of the HVLP guns I use. It does take some time to dial in, even for me, and I've played with many paint guns. So, you know, I did have a little bit of orange peel on the spray out. I do have some with other guns too. The weather's not the greatest today. A lot of excuses, right? But ultimately, you just got to spend some time, play with these guns, dial them in correctly, get it the way you want it, and make sure you clean them really good too, because when you get these guns, they come packaged with grease and stuff like that from the factory where they're made, just to kind of preserve it, and you don't want to get that in your paint job, so clean it thoroughly before you use it. Also, this little light right here, man, this thing's really cool. I was able to put it on the gun. I could switch from regular lighting, like cool lighting, to daylight lighting, and even if you don't use it while you're actually spraying, you can go back and check things after the fact. If you don't have good lighting, to make sure you got full coverage and you didn't get any light spots or whatever else. So a great investment there. This HVLP gun kit, I've purchased many of them on the channel, and I've done some giveaways with them and stuff like that. They're great. They're designed the same way the Vevor guns are, and the 1.4 tip gun is great for base clear. The 0.8 is great for touch up. It comes with a regulator and everything you need to get going. The PPF system, the hangers, everything was awesome today. A big shout out to Temu for sending that stuff out. And if you guys want to purchase anything, links will be in the description. Use that discount code, go to their website as a new user, and get that $100 coupon bundle and pick you up something really cool. So big thanks to them for sending it out. I hope you enjoyed the spray out. Hope you enjoyed the product review. And if you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. We're all the time doing crazy reviews, crazy spray outs, full paint jobs. You just never know what you're going to see next on Whitley Auto Works. So definitely want to tune in to all the future videos and make sure you're subscribed. Well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.